When it comes to preventing IT downtime, GoTo Resolve promises to help businesses stay up and running. But how effective is it really? And does it do enough to minimize interruptions in your workflow? Stick around because in this video, we'll dive into how GoTo Resolve could be a solution for preventing IT downtime, and we'll also compare it with some alternatives that might even better suit your needs. First, let's talk about the core feature of GoTo Resolve, remote support. Remote troubleshooting is crucial for reducing downtime, especially when your team's spread across different locations. GoTo Resolve allows you to remotely access systems to resolve issues quickly, and it's user-friendly, so even non-IT professionals can step in and troubleshoot minor issues. It saves time, prevents unnecessary disruptions, and keeps operations smooth. Next, GoTo Resolve integrates well with various other software and tools, allowing IT teams to work more efficiently without having to constantly switch between apps. Whether it's collaboration tools, ticketing systems, or asset management, GoTo Resolve works seamlessly within your existing IT ecosystem, which means less downtime in training your team to use new tools. But let's be honest, GoTo Resolve can be a bit too basic for larger, more complex networks, and might fall short for companies that need more advanced IT management features. The third thing is the flexibility it offers in terms of device support. GoTo Resolve allows IT teams to manage multiple devices at once, whether it's on desktop, mobile, or tablet. However, if you're dealing with a broad range of devices across different platforms, you might run into some limitations here. While it covers most use cases, larger environments with more specialized needs could feel restricted by GoTo Resolve's basic options. Now, onto the fourth thing, automated reporting. GoTo Resolve provides built-in reporting tools that offer insights into your IT environment. This allows teams to identify recurring issues, track how many support tickets are being resolved, and predict potential future problems. However, these reports can sometimes lack depth, and you may find that more comprehensive data analysis tools from competitors like ConnectWise or NinjaRMM give you better insight and control over your IT performance. The fifth thing you need to know is pricing. GoTo Resolve is competitively priced, and its simplicity can make it an attractive option for smaller businesses or teams with fewer resources. But if you're looking for a solution that scales with your growing organization or one that offers more sophisticated features, GoTo Resolve might start to feel a little too basic, especially when compared to higher-end options. So, should GoTo Resolve be your go-to choice for preventing IT downtime? It has some solid features, especially for smaller teams or businesses looking for an easy-to-use, affordable option. But for more advanced IT management needs or businesses dealing with a larger scale of operations, there are other solutions worth considering. In fact, we've found some alternatives that not only have an extended free trial, but also provide more robust features for preventing IT downtime with better integrations and stronger reporting tools. If you're looking for more than just basic functionality, these options might be more suited to your long-term goals. And because you've stuck with us till the end, we've got a special bonus for you. Through our link, you can access the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Whether you're looking to stick with GoTo Resolve or try one of the more powerful alternatives, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the description for the details and start making the most of your IT management today.